CNC machine structural parts with a wall thickness of 0.00 millimeters.
Ramp now. Because when we open the first phase, there are some process diagrams left on it. The overall structure of the back is carried out with a light knife at one time, tied directly to the right angle iron for rotation. The product is processed. Let's take a look at the machining process. The process is very simple. After that, let's gently side top it. This product is also taken down.